I've been using Streak CRM directly inside Gmail this year, and if your inbox is your sales command center, you've probably wondered if a pipeline inside your email sounds too good to be true. With promises of seamless tracking, email power, and lightweight CRM without leaving Gmail, it felt intuitive, but the big question was, would it actually make work easier, or just clutter my inbox? Let's dig into what worked and what didn't. Streak CRM stands out because it lives inside Gmail, turning your inbox into a CRM with minimal extra UI. It's designed for solopreneurs, small teams, and anyone who wants simple pipeline management alongside email threads. In this review, I'll talk about what I loved, where it made me wonder if it's too basic, how the pricing stacks up, and whether it fits your work style. Streak's power lies in its frictionless integration. You add, manage, and track deals directly from your Gmail. I could organize pipelines as boxes, categorize emails, set reminders, and even schedule send times without switching apps. Shared pipelines let teams see tracking progress, and the built-in mail merge tools and snippets saved repetitive typing. I appreciated how the mobile app mirrored these features, so follow-up on the go remained simple. Email tracking and the send later feature felt especially important when managing outreach and client follow-ups. The free plan allows two pipelines: basic email tracking, snippets, and reminders, all pretty generous if you're just testing the waters. Upgrading to the solo plan unlocks unlimited pipelines and mail merge for around $15 per user. The pro plan includes shared visibility settings and deliverability tools for roughly $49 per month. For larger business units, the enterprise plan adds advanced permissions, API access, and admin controls, pricing based on user count. It's affordable, but if you're scaling, costs add up quickly. What users appreciate: users consistently praise how Streak keeps CRM where work already happens inside Gmail. That immediacy helps reduce context switching and promotes adoption. Setup is frictionless, and features like mail merge, email tracking, and pipeline updates are all just clicks away. Teams appreciate that it's lightweight compared to heavyweight CRMs, and that growth remains comfortable and predictable. Overall, it excels for teams that live in their inbox and want simple but effective tools. Where it falls short, but it's not perfect. Pipelines inside Gmail have their limits. Structuring and reporting gets awkward when volume grows. Complex automations, workflow rules, or deep analytics simply aren't options here. And while team visibility exists, there's no centralized dashboard to monitor activity across pipelines. Email-based CRMs also risk losing records if you switch email platforms. Finally, deliverability tools are basic, and Gmail's own limits can cap mass mailing plans. Streak CRM is a brilliant tool for individuals or small teams whose sales, outreach, or client work lives inside Gmail. It's easy to pick up, well integrated, and affordable. But if your business demands complex automation, advanced reporting, or custom workflows, you'll eventually outgrow it, and one day you'll need a dedicated CRM. So is Streak CRM worth it? Absolutely. If you live in Gmail and need a CRM that doesn't change your workflow, it's lightweight, intuitive, and powerful for email-first teams or small businesses. But if you rely on complex reporting, enterprise integrations, or multi-channel sales automation, this may not stretch far enough. If this helped you, tap like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what feature do you wish every CRM had built into your inbox. Let's explore it next time.